So, you want to own an Airbnb. Most people think owning one means buying a property, furnishing it nicely, taking some good photos, putting it on the platform, and collecting passive income while guests pay off your mortgage and then some. That picture is roughly half true. And the half that is wrong is the part that determines whether you actually make money. The average US Airbnb host earns approximately $14.0 per year according to Airbnb's own reported data, which is the number the platform uses in its marketing materials. And it is also one of the most misleading numbers in the entire short-term rental industry, because it includes every spare room renter who listed their couch for 3 months, every inactive listing sitting on the platform generating 0 bookings, and every host in a low-demand rural market who rented 6 weekends a year and called it done. The more useful number comes from AirDNA, the most widely cited independent short-term rental data company in the industry, which puts the average annual earnings for active U.S. Airbnb hosts at $44,235 in 2025. A figure that better reflects committed operators who manage their listings actively and price strategically. But even that number, as we are about to explain in detail, is gross revenue before a single cost is paid, not take-home income. And the distance between the $44,235 gross revenue figure and what actually remains in your bank account after 12 months of operating an Airbnb is the most important thing to understand before you spend a dollar. Airbnb generated $12.2 billion in total company revenue in fiscal year 2025, growing 9.9% year over year according to Business of Apps and SQ Magazine, citing Airbnb's annual filings. The platform hosts more than 8 million active listings managed by over 5 million hosts across more than 220 countries. In Q1 2026 alone, Airbnb reported 18% year-over-year revenue growth to $2.7 billion, the fastest quarterly growth rate in 2 years. Gross booking value reached $92.6 billion in 2025, a 13.2% increase from the prior year. Collectively, Airbnb hosts have generated more than $300 billion in lifetime earnings since the platform launched. These are the headline numbers that make short-term rental investing look like a straightforward opportunity, and they are also the numbers that make the real economics of individual property ownership easy to overlook. The first decision every aspiring Airbnb host makes is the one that determines everything else that follows, which is the property itself, and specifically whether you are hosting a property you already own, renting a property long-term, and then subletting it on Airbnb, or purchasing a new property specifically to operate as a short-term rental. Each path has a completely different capital requirement, risk profile, and return potential, and the path that looks cheapest up front is almost never the one that generates the strongest return per dollar invested. If you are converting a property you already own, the startup cost is primarily the furnishing and setup investment required to make the space guest-ready to a standard that generates bookings and positive reviews. Furniture and decor for a 2-bedroom property runs between $15.0 and $40.0 according to HostCamp's 2025 real cost analysis, depending on the property size and the design standard you are targeting. Smart home upgrades, including a smart lock that generates a unique code for each guest, a noise monitor that alerts you if the property exceeds acceptable decibel levels after a certain hour, a smart thermostat, and security cameras for the exterior run another $500 to $1,500. Professional photography, which is not optional if you want your listing to compete in any established market, costs $150 to $400 for a standard shoot. Initial supplies for the first month, including toiletries, coffee pods, toilet paper, cleaning products, laundry detergent, and the consumables guests go through faster than most first-time hosts expect, run $400 to $800. A full Airbnb setup for a property you already own can run $20.0 to $60.0 or more before the first guest arrives according to HostCamp's verified 2025 startup cost data. If you are purchasing a property specifically to operate as an Airbnb, the capital requirement is the property acquisition cost itself plus the setup costs above, for a $500.0 investment property in 2026. With the 30-year fixed mortgage rate at 6.37% as of May 2026 per Freddie Mac's primary mortgage market survey. and investment property loans pricing approximately 1 full percentage point above the standard residential rate. The monthly paitazai, principal, interest, taxes, and insurance runs approximately $3,500 per month or $42.0 per year. That $42.0 annual debt service is the fixed cost the property must generate revenue above before any other expense is paid and before you take home a dollar. In markets where the AirDNA average annual revenue of $44,235 is representative, a $500.0 property is essentially breaking even on mortgage costs alone before utilities. Cleaning, management fees, and platform fees are included. This is the arithmetic that makes market selection the single most important decision in the entire Airbnb business, because the same hosting strategy that generates meaningful cash flow in Sedona. Arizona, where AirROI data shows median annual revenue of $69,897 per listing, generates near zero return in a secondary market where the median annual revenue is closer to $20,000. The ongoing operating cost structure is where most first-time Airbnb hosts discover the gap between gross revenue and net income, and it is significantly more comprehensive than most people account for before they list their first property. Airbnb charges the host a service fee of 3% of the booking subtotal on every reservation, meaning for every $1.0 in booking revenue, $30 goes directly to the platform before any other expense. Cleaning is the largest and most variable ongoing cost, and the one that most materially affects the guest experience and the host's review score. Professional cleaning for a 2-bedroom vacation rental runs $100 to $150 per turnover, according to Awning's 2026 Airbnb management fees analysis, rising to $200 to $350 for larger properties with 4 or more bedrooms. A property with 15 turnovers per month generates $1,500 to $2,250 per month in cleaning costs alone, or $18.0 to $27.0 per year. Utilities including electricity, water, gas, high-speed internet, and streaming subscriptions provided for guests run $150 to $300 per month, or $1,800 to $3,600 per year, according to HostCamp's cost breakdown. Consumables and supplies, including the toiletries, coffee pods, batteries, light bulbs, and the items guests take or consume during their stay run continuously and represent a cost that compounds across every booking. If you are not self-managing the property, which requires being available for guest communication, coordinating cleaning turnovers, handling maintenance issues, and managing the listing and pricing on an ongoing basis, you will pay a property management or co-hosting fee. Full-service Airbnb property management companies charge 18 to 40% of revenue according to Awning's 2026 management fee analysis, while half-service management covering only the digital side including listings, pricing, and guest communication charges 10 to 15%. On a property generating $44,235 in annual revenue, a full-service management fee of 25% removes $11.59 from the top before any other cost is paid, leaving $33,176 in revenue against which all remaining costs must be covered. Short-term rental insurance is an often overlooked but non-negotiable cost for any host operating at meaningful occupancy. Standard homeowners insurance policies explicitly exclude commercial rental activity, meaning a host who relies on standard homeowners coverage and experiences a guest-related incident may find themselves without coverage when they need it most. Purpose-built short-term rental insurance policies from providers specializing in the STR market run between $1,500 and $4,000 per year depending on the property value, location, and coverage limits. Property taxes are a fixed annual cost that does not vary with occupancy, and in many high-demand markets where short-term rental income is attractive, property taxes have risen meaningfully as assessed values have increased. Capital expenditure, which is the cost of replacing furniture, appliances, mattresses, linens, and other items that wear out or get damaged through repeated guest use, is a cost that most first-year hosts underestimate because it does not arrive as a predictable monthly bill. Industry practitioners recommend budgeting 5 to 10% of annual revenue for CapEx on an ongoing basis, meaning a property generating $44,235 per year should have $2,211 to $4,423 reserved annually for replacement and maintenance. Here is the margin math that puts all of these costs together into a realistic net income picture. A property generating $44,235 in annual gross revenue in an average U.S. market, operated by a self-managing host who does not pay a management fee, faces the following annual costs. Airbnb service fee at 3% of revenue is approximately $1,327. Cleaning at 15 turnovers per month at $125 per clean is $22,500. Utilities at $225 per month is $2,700. Supplies and consumables at $100 per month is $1,200. Short-term rental insurance is approximately $2,000. CapEx reserve at 7% of revenue is approximately $3,096. Total operating costs before mortgage or rent run approximately $32,823 per year, leaving approximately $11,412 in annual net operating income before the mortgage or rent payment. On a property with a $3,500 per month mortgage, the annual debt service is $42,000. Meaning the average performing Airbnb property in an average U.S. market at average revenue is cash flow negative by approximately $30,588 per year for the owner carrying a mortgage at current rates. This is the arithmetic that most Airbnb income calculators never show you, because they show you the revenue projection and not the cost stack sitting underneath it. The markets where the economics work are the ones where revenue is meaningfully above the national average. Arrowey's April 2026 analysis of 15 markets shows median annual revenue ranging from $16,812 in lower performing markets to $69,897 in Sedona, Arizona, with 90th percentile hosts in premium markets earning between $68,000 and $185,000 annually. In Vail, Colorado, AirDNA data shows average monthly revenue of $15,842 per listing, or approximately $190,000 annually, which fundamentally changes the margin math even with a high-value property purchase. In these premium markets, a well-run property with strong reviews, professional photography, dynamic pricing software, and active listing management can generate genuine positive cash flow even after mortgage costs, cleaning, and all operating expenses. Superhosts earn 29% more revenue per year than standard hosts according to IGMS's 2026 Airbnb statistics analysis. The 41% of U.S. hosts who hold superhost status achieve it through consistent 5-star reviews, response time, and booking acceptance rates. And the revenue premium that comes with that status is the clearest evidence that Airbnb hosting is not a passive income business. It is an active hospitality business that rewards the operators who treat it most seriously. Airbnb's AI pricing tools, rolled out in 2025 and 2026, have been shown to increase host revenue by 25 to 40% compared to static pricing according to DigiX's 2026 Airbnb statistics analysis. And the hosts using dynamic pricing software to adjust nightly rates in response to local demand, seasonal patterns, and competitive positioning consistently outperform the hosts who set a fixed rate and leave it. So let us run the actual numbers on 2 realistic versions of your Airbnb using verified 2026 data. Option 1. A self-managed 2-bedroom property purchased in an average U.S. market at $400,000. At the AirDNA average of $44,235 in annual gross revenue, after a 3% Airbnb fee at $1,327. Cleaning costs at $18,000. Utilities and supplies at $3,900. Insurance at $2,000. And a CapEx reserve at $3,096. Total operating costs are approximately $28,323. Net operating income before mortgage is $15,912, against a monthly PITI of $3,200 on a $400,000 investment property purchase. Annual debt service is approximately $38,400, meaning this property is cash flow negative by approximately $22,488 per year at average performance. This is the average case. And it is the case that most first-time Airbnb investors walk into without fully accounting for the cost stack. Option 2. A self-managed two-bedroom property in a premium demand market, such as Sedona, Scottsdale, or a coastal tourist destination where median annual revenue is $65.0 to $90.0 on $75.0 in annual gross revenue, after operating costs of approximately $35.0 including higher cleaning costs and a larger CapEx reserve. Net operating income before mortgage is approximately $40.0. Against annual debt service of $42.0 to $50.0 on a higher value property in that market. The property may reach near break-even or modest positive cash flow, and in the strongest performing months generates meaningful cash above expenses. The business case for Airbnb ownership in 2026 is a market selection story, not a platform story. The platform works, the economics work in the right markets with the right properties managed by hosts who treat it as a hospitality business rather than a passive income machine. And they do not work in average markets at average revenue with average management applied to a property purchased at today's prices and financed at today's rates. Not bad for a platform that started with 2 air mattresses on a San Francisco apartment floor in 2007 and turned the act of renting a room into a $92.6 billion annual gross booking value industry. If you found this video interesting, please like and subscribe.